Hey guys, I just finished installing shock sensors on my 2018 Accord. Um, Got it from these guys in Miami, adshocksensor.com. If you guys, looking to have something similar done, go check them out. Um, Essentially, what shock sensor does is, you know, any type of shock or vibration that occurs within or outside your vehicle, um, the alarm will go off. And essentially what you're doing is you're daisy chaining um, the kit that is provided with the factory alarm that's already come installed. So it doesn't work if you don't have the factory alarm, but most cars do nowadays. So yeah. Anyway, I'll give you a demonstration. Basically, I'll just come right over and, say if somebody's trying to jack your wheel, and one key fob. That's it. Factory key fob. Peace.